Ever wonder why we yawn? It's not just because we're tired or bored. Yawning actually helps cool down your brain. When your brain gets too warm, a yawn brings in cool air to regulate the temperature, like a little AC unit for your head. And here's the weird part. Yawning is contagious. Seeing someone yawn can trigger your brain to do the same. Scientists think it's a social bonding thing. Now you know.
So, did you just yawn?
Hit that like for more bite-sized brain boosts.